Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best trackball mice that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have Logitech MX Air Go wireless trackball mouse. Logitech does as it promises. They are famous for manufacturing the most stunning yet reliable products for their customers. MX Air Go wireless trackball mouse is one of their best trackball mice. It has a fully ergonomic design that ensures comfortable and convenient usage. It has a stunning black sculpted body with a trackball for the thumb. Moreover, there is an adjustable joint in the mouse. You can adjust the trackball position just according to your comfort. You can adjust the hinge between 0 to 20 degrees. In addition to that, this mouse provides a super fast and smooth cross-computer control. You can also copy-paste text, images, or any file across 2 computers with this super flowy mouse. It also provides two-way connectivity that is through Bluetooth and cable. In addition to that, the mouse has 380 dpi, which is incredible. Also, it consists of a rechargeable battery. The battery backup is impressive and can go up to 70 days on a single charge. Now, the scroll wheel provides precise results. The tilt and middle click of the scroll wheel allows for accuracy and precision while scrolling and selecting. You can install the Logitech software for customized functioning. Also, the auto discovery option allows for configuration. Moreover, this comfortable mouse fits easily in your hand. Furtherly, the use of this mouse is straightforward, and you'll get used to it quickly. Also, you can conveniently change the pointer speed according to your convenience. All in all, this is a fantastic ergonomic mouse for your workspace. Moving on at number 4, we have Kensington Expert Wireless Trackball Mouse. Next from our best trackball mice review list is the Kensington K72359WW. It comes in a unique design with a large 55mm tracking ball. This mouse is the most comfortable one in usage. Apart from the unique design, you get a wrist rest that can be detached. In addition to that, this is an ambidextrous mouse that adds more convenience. This mouse provides the best support to your hand throughout the use. Now, you will see 4 buttons on the mouse that are fully customizable. In addition to that, you can also adjust the speed of the cursor and scroll wheel through the Kensington Works software. Since the mouse provides wireless connectivity, you can connect it via a built-in Bluetooth or USB dongle. The spherical ball is designed such that it provides easy, accurate, and precise tracking. Not only that, but this device also comes with diamond eye optical tracking. It detects slight movements so you can control the cursor with ultimate precision. This mouse also requires very minimal hand movements. You can be as productive as you can be with other kinds of mice with Kensington. Also, the patented scroll ring on the mouse lets you scan the web pages. Lastly, the device comes with a 3-year warranty and technical support for a lifetime. You are looking at the most comfortable yet simple trackball mouse. However, the design is simple but has all the necessary features. The palm rest allows for strain-free usage. Moreover, it comes with a large trackball and patented scroll ring. Also, it has 4 customizable buttons. All these features make it a very high-performance mouse. At number 3, we have Logitech Trackman Marble Trackball Mouse. Next in line is Logitech Trackman Marble Trackball Mouse. This one stands among the best trackball mice for its affordability. It is packed with amazing features, which, in such a price tag, is impressive. Logitech Trackman allows for fantastic scanning across the screen without moving your arm. It provides incredible cursor movement and scrolling with ultimate precision. Now, the design of this mouse is ambidextrous. You can hold it comfortably in both hands. All the buttons are easily accessible. You can select from the screen or scroll easily with these buttons. In addition to that, it provides wired connectivity. Also, the connectivity is as simple as it can get. All you have to do is just plug the mouse in, and voila! Moreover, the mouse is fast and high performance. You can scroll, move between documents, and make the selection with good speed. In addition to that, you get programmable buttons on the mouse. You can program them with any function you want for your convenience. Coming to the trackball, it can be controlled with your fingertip. Now move the cursor without moving your hand with amazing speed and precision. It comes with a Logitech sensor technology, which allows for smooth and accurate tracking on all surfaces. If you are looking for an affordable trackball mouse with an ambidextrous design, then this one's for you. Even though it's affordable, the quality and overall performance are amazing. It comes with programmable buttons that you can program for different functions. In addition to that, the large trackball provides a very smooth and accurate cursor movement. At number 2, we have elecom 2.4 GHz wireless finger-operated trackball mouse. It operates on optical tracking technology, making it the most accurate trackball mouse. The trackball spins smoothly with your fingertip that allows for precise cursor movement. Now, scroll between the web pages and documents easily with the scroll wheel. It is located close to the thumb area so that you can access it with convenience. In addition to that, it has a classy black profile and is made for right-handed people. All of the buttons are easily accessible, so no hand movement is required. Moreover, there are 8 functional buttons to which you can assign any function. That is only possible if you can download the elecom software to make use of the programmable buttons. It has a 2.5 mm large ball that spins in its place with ultimate smoothness. Furthermore, it is effortless to clean and doesn't require regular cleaning. For cleaning, you have to pop the ball out effortlessly. In addition to that, this device is perfect for gaming. It comes with a gaming optics system sensor and lens. This technology makes it a high-performance mouse and eligible for gaming. Elecom finger-operated mouse comes with a DPI button. You can easily switch the DPI between low, medium, and high. The numerical range for the DPI is 400, 100, and 1500 respectively. In short, this is an incredibly high-performance mouse that is perfect for gaming. Overall, this is a nice comfortable mouse that you can use for gaming. It has got buttons for adjusting DPI. Also, this mouse comes with a high-performance optical sensor that makes it good for gaming. Moreover, it is easy to maintain and easy to clean. In short, this is your best purchase if you are into gaming. And finally at number 1. Kensington Slim Blade Trackball Mouse. Another classy masterwork by Kensington that wins the show with its beautiful design. Kensington Slim Blade finds its place in the best trackball mice due to its aesthetics and ergonomics. It has got a metallic slim body that adds to the elegance. It is made by keeping ergonomics in mind. The level of comfort it provides while using it is unsurpassable. It requires minimal to no arm and hand movement to avoid any strain. In addition to that, it has a unique trackball that allows smooth rolling. It does not cause any hindrance while you are scrolling up and down the web pages or files. Moreover, the low profile of the mouse provides comfort and takes up less space. Also, it comes with dual laser tech that allows precise movement of the cursor. It takes less arm movement, so it's ideal for those prone to getting strained wrists and arms. It is ideal for both left-handed or right-handed people. The ambidextrous design provides universality and comfort. You will feel your hand resting on it in a very natural position. Another good thing about this mouse is that it provides a wired connection. You will not need batteries and there is no hassle of recharging it. Simply connect the mouse via USB cable for optimum performance. You can download Kensington Works software to make this mouse more personalized. If you are looking for a low-profile, high-performance trackball mouse, then Kensington Slim Blade is the one for you. Its classy design and great performance make it the most favorable mouse ever. You get an ergonomic mouse with fully customizable buttons. You can customize the buttons via Kensington Works software. All in all, this mouse is going to be your best shot. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.